So I'm going to show you a little something here. Okay, if you're having problems with these studs snapping on your motorized bike, here's the reason why. Okay, so here's the block that goes on the back of the motor. Quite often what happens is people will put these things on. Let me get over here where we got better light. Okay. The way they put it on there and they leave a gap either at the top or at the bottom, and there's wiggle room and there's play in the motor. If you grab the motor and give it, there's a little play in the motor. If you've got any play whatsoever, you're going to wind up snapping your studs. I'll bet $1 to a donut hole on it, okay? So, you fix the block, the rear block, to where there's no gap on the top, no gap on the bottom. You don't need to tighten these up that tight. Just compress the lock washer. So you're going to have the strap, a flat washer, the lock washer, and then your hex nut there. Tighten them both down evenly. You want an even gap on one side in comparison to the other. If you have a different gap, and I'm one to talk, this here's a little bit off here. I'm going to loosen this one up here just a little bit, and maybe snug this one up here a little bit here. So that way you have an even gap on both sides. You have no play here. Now, how you mount your front mount is very critically important too. Let me get over here where there's better light. Here. Okay, I went ahead. This is the newer style Cranbrook that has the bend here and your seat post here, and then it has the arrowhead style dropouts in the rear here. I weld a mount onto the frame here. I take a piece of 1/8 of a 3/4 inch flat bar and bend it and have it mimic the shape of the frame. I weld that on. Then I weld another plate here, and I use the plate that comes with the kit, and I bolt it together. That way you don't have the same thing, particularly here, because of the angle of the dangle. If you're off to where just one part of the mount is against the frame and it's like a knife edge, that's going to allow the motor to rock. You want a good, flat, secure mating surface. So quite often you can, on some frames, get this type of mount for the front, and then of course make sure your angle of the dangle on the rear is good, and you will be good to go. That's a tip. I hope it helps you out. If you got any questions, leave them below. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe. Thank you, sir.